Korean is so easy. 너무 좋아. 너무 좋아. 너무 맛있어. 너무 맛있어. 너무 별로야. 너무 별로야. 너무 이상해. 너무 이상해. 너무 멋있어. 너무 멋있어. 너무 예뻐. 너무 예뻐. 잘했어요. How to confess your love in Korean. Requested by one of my subscribers. 네가 좋아. 네가 좋아. 나랑 사귈래? 나랑 사귈래? 오늘부터 1일 할래? 오늘부터 1일 할래? 너 내 거 해라. 너 내 거 해라. 나랑 진지하게 만나볼래? 나랑 진지하게 만나볼래? Which one would you say or want to hear? Please leave a comment below. 안녕. Can you read this? Looks hard? I promise it's not. But actually, it's one of the most logical alphabets in the world. This one, it sounds like go, game, gone. I made a free Hangul guide just for beginners. You'll be reading your favorite K-pop names in no time. Download my PDF for free. The link is in my bio. Hello. You probably know this one. 안녕하세요. This is the polite and common way to say hello. It's usually said with a little bow like this. 안녕하세요. Try it with me. 안녕하세요. Goodbye. This one changes depending on who's leaving. If you're staying and the other person is leaving, say 안녕히 가세요, which means go safely. 안녕히 가세요. If you're leaving and the other person stays, say 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. Meaning, stay peacefully. Nice to meet you. Let's look at two useful expressions. 처음 뵙겠습니다. 처음 뵙겠습니다. Literally, Stray Kids fans! Let's test your Korean skills. Bangchan, Pangchan, Lino, 이민호, 창빈, 서창빈, 현진, 황현진, Han, 한지성, Felix, 이용복, 승민, 김승민, IN, 양정인. 잘했어요.